magma erupts called through the Earth's surface called lava. Lava is a liquid hot that flows out of flames, which has harmful gases. It goes from the red hot to white hot as it flows. Do you know there are more than 1,500 active volcanoes in the world? Most of it is found around the bed in the Pacific Ocean. Are called rings of the fire. Volcano, don't erupt right now. Volcano, don't kabum kabum.